Some say the end will come slowly, that we'll see it coming, that we'll have time to say goodbye. But what if we didn't? What if our sun, our life-giving star, exploded? Not tomorrow, not in a billion years, but now. Right now. Would you notice? Would you survive? Would Earth even exist 8 minutes from now? This is not a story. This is a countdown. Everything seems normal. Birds fly, children laugh. The sun rises like always, but behind that glowing disk, something begins to break. The sun, a nuclear monster, has lost control. Something begins to break. At its core, hydrogen fuses into helium, a process that's powered life for over 4 billion years. But now, for reasons unknown, that fusion goes wild. Temperature rises, pressure breaks boundaries, the balance collapses. And in a moment too fast to measure, the sun detonates. No warning, no time to prepare, no second chances. Light takes 8 minutes to reach us. So for 8 short minutes, Earth is alive while the sun is already gone. The flash hits us like a wall of billion nuclear bombs all at once. First comes the light blinding white, then comes heat radiation, ultraviolet fury. Satellites melt in orbit, skies erupt into fire, the ozone layer is shredded, UV rays blast the planet. In seconds, everyone under the sun is burned alive, glass melts, steel warps, skyscrapers turn into molten rivers. Solar winds tear through our magnetosphere, and Earth begins to unravel. Heat doesn't just rise, it crushes. Oceans turn to steam, boiling upward into the sky, rains of acid pour over melting cities. Mountains soften like wax, concrete turns to liquid. Plants ignite, forests vanish, animals run, but nowhere is safe. Humans make their final calls, internet dies, power grids collapse, and the planet turns red with flame. Every place you've ever known is now ash. Then it happens. The blast wave rips through space, and Earth is thrown from its orbit. Without the sun's gravity, we drift alone off course into the black. Light fades, temperature drops fast. Within hours, we freeze. Within days, Earth is a dead rock floating through the dark. No photosynthesis, no power, no food, no heat. Survivors, if any, are deep underground, but not for long. This is no winter, this is silence. Earth becomes a cosmic tomb, a frozen ball. Oceans turn to ice thick as continents. The atmosphere collapses, and snow begins to fall in space. The last human breath freezes in midair. The last heartbeat echoes in caves, then fades. Even time seems to slow. This was the only world we knew, and it died because our star went mad. There's no sunrise, no hope, no signal. The Earth drifts for thousands of years, cold, dead, unseen. But maybe, just maybe, a distant species will find our world buried beneath the frost. A memory frozen in stone. Our art, our data, our dreams. Maybe we'll be remembered, or maybe not. Maybe this was always our fate. To burn bright, to vanish suddenly, to return to the stars.
And in the end, the star that made us took us back.